Hey, welcome. Today we are making another ground turkey recipe, and it's another breakfast item. So it is ground turkey breakfast tacos. Now, this is a really great, quick way to get a lot of protein, some carbs, and I make it all the time. So let's see how we make these ground turkey breakfast tacos.
All right, so I grabbed a breakfast sausage patty, the breakfast turkey sausage patty out of the freezer, threw it in the microwave, warmed it up a little bit, chopped it up, put it in the pan. We're going to kind of toss that around a little bit. Now, we're going to use egg whites today. You can use eggs, doesn't matter. If you're on a fat loss phase, I suggest using egg whites. You definitely want to cook these on high. Egg whites have a little bit of moisture in them, a lot of water. So you really gotta hit them with high heat so you can boil that off. If you don't, kind of runny, drips into your other food. A little salt and pepper here, and we're gonna constantly stir them up. Get some of that water out of there. Almost done. Looking really good. I'm getting used to egg whites. All right, we got the heat off. Got our taco shells out, and our first layer is going to be the eggs. We're almost finished with the eggs there. And now we're stacking some of that breakfast turkey sausage. Now we're topping off with a little fat-free yogurt, the Greek fat-free yogurt. Now I know this may sound a little strange, but when you mix Greek fat-free yogurt and salsa verde, man, that combination tastes fantastic. Now we're topping off with a little cheese, a little Mexican blend. It's not really going to add too much fat to this meal. And we're going to make it look good, and we're going to add some chopped chives to it. Ooh, look at that. Some mighty good looking tacos. Lots of high protein. Very tasty.
Okay, well, those are some tasty tacos, and I make them all the time. Lots of extra protein in them. If you like Greek factory yogurt, it goes really well with the salsa. All right, well, if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and we'll see you a little bit lighter and a little bit healthier.